Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And while that other video was loading, I'm making my nudge factor like 20 inches. I stated in that video that you could use, if this is sealed, you could use a new color and make a new blend. So we're just going to take the Smart Fill tool. It happens to be set on yellow, which does not matter. We're going to nudge that away. We're going to left click, right click, and we're going to make a duplicate of that guy with the plus key, holding down the shift key, which doesn't really matter. And then let's mirror that guy. Now let's take these two and apply that 33 blend, make them that same color and nudge them back. I mean, look at that. It looks like it's folded over on itself, which it really is. So you've doubled the line intensity. And if for people that don't understand, you could vector engrave this line on a piece of plexiglass and the light would show through, and it's called an edge light. You put a LED light at the bottom, it shines through the clear plexiglass, and at night it would look just like this. So hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.